friends, my name is Madhvi Singh. So here I am going to present my presentation about the strategic business plan of Bitfood. So let's start with the table of content. So I will present like sequence wise. First of all is my introduction, then analysis the customers needs and current direction, key strategies and objectives, vision and mission, and then core value of Bitfood in decision making, SWOT analysis and objectives, action plan with timeline, and the last one is biculturalism and its impact on a proposed action plan. So let's start with the introduction. So Bitfood is started in New Zealand with the acquisition of Crane Food Service in 2000, and Bitfood is operating under the BFS group, having headquarters in the Auckland, New Zealand. Moreover, Bitfood is a wholesaler supplier food industry. So they guys supply the foods like frozen foods and for example like fresh foods and like that's it. Analyze the customer needs and current attention. There is some points of current attentions, lasting relationship with the Bitfood customers, provide online service due to COVID-19, start home delivery and fresh foods. So let's start with the lasting relationship with the Bitfood customers. They guys wants to make a lasting relationship with the customers. So they guys have to provide good food, fresh food, and like they want to reduce the food poisoning, and the second one is provide online services due to COVID-19. So we can see due to the COVID-19 there is a big problem. They guys can't open their stores, so they guys can do home deliveries, and they guys launch a website. Through the website the customer can order any food as their requirements, and thus they guys can doing their start home deliveries, and they guys also providing fresh food to the customers. Strategic objectives. So there is my objectives: technology and sustainable development. So in the technology, they guys launch their website, through the website customer can order their food and order their food easily, and they can get at their home. And the sustainable development is the most common objective. So like the company wants to make a safe environment, so they guys reduce the plastic packaging, and they guys using the reusable plastic bags for the home delivery, which is good for the customer. So they guys also sanitizing their things, and they guys deliver their products at home. Is my vision and mission statement. So the vision statement of a Bitfood is to be the best food service provider. So Bitfood has a vision to become a leader in the food service industry. Bitfood giving the service of food delivery to customer, and put efforts to give best food delivery services to the customers. As I already told you guys, they guys are wants to make a good relationship with the customer to provide a good food, like fresh food, and there is no food poisoning. And the second one is a mission statement. The mission statement is of a Build Food is to like deliver the service excellence and make a life easier and help the customer to grow. And the mission of the company is to achieve the excellence and in the service. It having a mission to attain sustainability, and the company can aggressively working toward reduce the food waste and utilize the many natural resources. Like they want to reduce the wastage of their foods, and like they wants to like spend wants to like giving their food to the needy people, like poor people who can't afford the product. Core value of Build Food is in decision making. So Build Food work by focusing on three main core values: care, dare, and share. The first core value is care. As per this company, focus that everyone should have a pride on what they do. And the second one is core value is dare. The company believes in taking brave steps so that company can get a great result from those steps. The third one is the share. The company believes that achieve great result and important to work together in a team. The next one is SWOT analysis. There is four things like strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. The first one is strength, digital channels, and ability to retain staff. Like they guys also have a digital channel. They guys can show their products, how many products they guys have, or how many products they guys can deliver at their homes. And the second one is ability to retain staff. Like they wants to like retain their staff and provide good services to their staff. And the next one is weakness. There's two things in the weakness: lack of management, less international presence. Due to the lack of management, they guys can't like manage their app, or they guys if there is problem with the management, so they guys can't manage their source, or like online source where they can deliver to their product to the customers. And the less international presence, like we can see they guys have only stores in the UK or Australia and Australia. So they guys need to improve their stores in like some more countries. And the next one is opportunities. The first one is ability to develop new market. Like as I already told you guys, they guys wants to open their stores, want to more range of the stores, and they wants to increase their stores in the world, and then they can provide their good service. And the second one is competing pricing. So we can also see there is so many competitors of the Build Food. Like we can see in the New Zealand here, there are also competitor like Pack and Save, some more food industries, like who's selling frozen foods. So they guys also maintain their pricing for the retained customers. And the last one is a threat. There is a high competition and change in regulations. The Build Food is also wants to change their regulations for their staff. Like due to the COVID-19, they guys change their health and safety rules. Like if the staff working in the business, they guys need to like use gloves and a mask, and do their hand sanitizer after 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Here is my action plan. So in the action plan is the investment generation and the location strategies. So let's start with the investment generation. They guys to start objective is to start a new business in another country will require funds. Like if they want to open their stores in other country, so they need more funds. It will take 1 month, and they guys need a documentation, human labor or legal work, and the responsibility of the financial department. And the second one is location strategies. So they guys need find a proper location, and next one is biculturalism and its impact on the proposed action plan. Bicultural partnership puts a direct impact on the proposed action plan is term of workforce development as well as service delivery, and this happens because people identify and understand norms, values, standards, and behavior for more than one culture. And this is my reference. And any question?
11 minutes, 20 seconds. That's why I say stop.
Yeah.
And you keep going. Any questions for
Yeah.
Like you mentioned in your business, they have a lack of management.
Yeah.
How they are like still trying to like manage their services and paying their customers?
Like they guys have also strategies. So they guys can provide their services through a app. Yeah, through app they guys can like manage their source easily.
Okay.
And other question?
Yes. Few more questions. Right, can you go to the objective for me? The slide from the fifth one. There you go. Strategic objective. You don't say clear and relevant here in terms of strategic objective. So this is company strategic objective or your strategic objective setting for the company?
This is a company strategic objective.
Correct. But normally, as I say, objectives gonna be to do something, to achieve what?
Yeah, like they want to maintain their customers. Like they do not want to lose their customers.
So what's going to do with technology
Yeah.
and sustainable development?
Like there is also one more thing, like due to the COVID-19 it's happened, so they guys can't open their stores, so they guys wants to start the home deliveries to satisfy their customers and fulfill their needs.
So again, what objective, how can they set it into the objective, terms for whether it is technology or sustainable development?
It's technology because of the COVID-19.
No, you cannot say it's technology because of COVID-19. It's technology because they need to do what in technology to achieve what?
Like they achieve
To do what first?
more profit.
It has nothing to do with technology, you see? It has nothing to do with technology. If you want to set the strategic objective of the company related to technology, as I say, it's going to be to enhance or develop a technology platform in order for home delivery or online shopping. That is technology. That is the objective, but not the way that you say. It's totally not clear and relevant. You know what I mean? And then, if it is the company strategic objective, then you don't have your strategic objective or your plan. So what is your strategic objective for your plan? Do you go to SWOT and objective? SWOT and objective. There. So, I only see SWOT, I don't see objective. So what is your strategic objective for your plan?
Like the main objective of the company Bidfood is like they guys wants to open their store in the more countries. like where the country needs.
So the objective is gonna be to expand the market, is it?
Afford.
Is it to expand the market
Yeah.
by opening more store in other country and in other market? What market?
Like market, like they guys need a proper location to open their stores in the market.
You don't think of the detail. I have another comments there. So for example, opportunities, ability to develop new market and competitive pricing. The way you put it, it's not opportunity, it is strength. Because from company size, they have the ability to develop new markets. They have the competitive pricing strategy compared to others. That's strength, not opportunity. Opportunity is going to be addressed like new opportunity in Australia or in Asia. That's opportunity. Or another opportunity is going to be, well, competitive pricing has nothing to do with opportunity. It's coming from company's point of view. So from my point of view, I think you don't put eyes on your objective and you go to the plan. So if you don't have objective, how can you have a plan? So you go to plan. Plan, please. The next one. There. So what is the first activity?
The first activity is investment generation.
Investment generation?
Yeah. Like to open the
Hold
business.
on. Which objective you try to achieve by doing that?
Like they want to open their stores. More stores.
Why you need to have it done first. Investment generation. What exactly in detail? So first, investment on what? Second, where to get the financing for source?
The second one?
The first one. So investment generation, right? Investment on what?
Investment for open new branches in the other countries.
Shouldn't that be the cost? Because if the investment is more like they want to buy the land, they're going to build buildings.
Yeah, like I already mentioned, they guys have to find the proper location.
The proper.
Location, like where they guys can get more value of their business.
But no, I'm talking about the investment generation. So what is the investment generation there? So what is the key action?
Like the key action is like they guys have to investment for the establish their business.
Well, I hope that you can have a better explain. It's about investment on what? Investment on buying a land or getting properties or buying the machine.
Like the all of things. Because
Why?
if we open wants to more stores or more branches, so we need to also spend on land or spend on a business product, and we also need a proper documentation. Like we need authority from the country or government to open a business in other country.
Okay, I can see that you're trying there. Okay, thank you.
Yes, well done.